So once you've made that important and wise decision to purchase your first home, here are the top 3 tips to know and do. Number 1, connect with an experienced mortgage finance lender to become pre-approved for your mortgage. You want a pre-approval and not a pre-qualification. And I suggest you watch the video titled Know the Difference, being pre-approved versus pre-qualified. Anyway, in doing that, you'll have more confidence knowing your purchasing power and also knowing your financing options that are best suited for your particular goals well before making an offer on a home. Number 2, once you're pre-approved and before you actually close and settle on your home, you don't want to alter any of your employment or income, credit accounts, and you want to maintain payments on all of your credits. Pretty obvious, but you want to do that because we're going to reevaluate your pre-approval before you actually are able to close. So number 3, team up with a professional realtor who will expertly guide you through looking this whole process from start to finish and has your best interest. In doing so, that's going to help you have a great first-time home buying experience. I'm Tim Connolly with American Financial Network, here to help you make your financing goals a reality. My contact info is below. See you later.